Now paper number 37, Ibps Clerk Prelim. Now in this question number 66 to 70, they are based on distribution set. How many persons are there? 10 persons. They are working in only 3 different departments. 10 persons working in 3 different departments. More than 1 person is working in each of these departments. Hence it comes under which category? Common parameter distribution. Hence we need to divide the diagram according to the distribution given. Isn't it? And what is the parameter here? Marketing. And next one is finance. And this is HR. Marketing, finance and HR. Now 10 persons were there. Each department has not lesser than 3, not more than 4. Minimum 3 persons must be there and maximum cannot be more than 4, and the only possibility 3, 3 and 4. Now in one of the department there are 4 persons and in the rest of the 2 we have exactly 3 persons, isn't it? Then coming to condition number 1, and only 2 persons and Q and O work in the same department. Now this Q as well as O work in the same department and only 2 persons work with T. Now the department in which T is working, there are only 3 people. And T who does not work in finance. Now T cannot be in finance. And next one, R and P work in the same department. R and P, they are also work in different departments. R and P, they are working in different departments. Both these 2 persons cannot be in the same department. R and P. And next one, P does not work with K. Now P and K are also working with different departments. And P and K, Q does not work in finance. Now Q cannot be at this place. If Q cannot be here, O also cannot be here. Because Q and O must be together in the same department. And Q does not work in finance and K works in finance. As K is here, now P cannot be along with K. P cannot be at this place. Are you getting this one or not? Then, and K works in finance, S does not work with K. S cannot be at this place as well. Does not work with K. L works with N. L and N are working together. L works in N. S does not work in HR. As S does not work in HR, S must be in marketing. Must be no? S is in marketing. If S is in marketing, S and N work in the same department, N is. If N is sir, N and L are in the same department, this has been done. Hence in marketing there are 3 people. Now T cannot work in this one. And where should this T? T must be in HR. Now the department in which T is working, there are only 3 people. Now who are those 2 people here? No. Now P and S, then who are the other persons? Q and O are working together. As Q and O cannot be in finance. And Q also cannot be in finance. And Q and O cannot be in marketing as well. Why? Because then there will be 5 people. And Q and O must be here. Now in this department T, there are only 3 people. Isn't it? Then who is the other person after here? P and R works in different departments. And P cannot be in this finance. And P must be. My acronym P is marketing. If P is marketing, R must be at this place. Now 4 persons here, 3 here, 3 here. Then who is the one more person left over? M is left over. And rather than working out like this, మీరు KLMNO అలా రాసుకొని చేస్తే చాలా కాంప్లికేటెడ్ అవుతుంది మీకు. Every time you need to count this one. Clear? Hence whenever it comes under common parameter, divide this one according to the parameter, single attempt లో అయిపోతుంది మనకి. Done? And this is about question number 66 to 17. Now tell me who is working with K, R and M. M that is choice to 66. And 67, which of the following statement is true? O works in HR, that is definitely true. And 1 and 3 is there. And S and T work in different departments, that it is also true. And P and M work in the same. P and M, they are working in different, this is false. Hence both 1 and 3, choice for 67. And which combination of persons work in HR? HR, T, Q and O. That is choice 3, question number 68. 68 it is choice 3. And 69th one, And 4 out of the following means it is an odd one out. L and T. L and T, they are working in different departments. M and S, different. Q and P, different. M and R, they are working in the same department. Choice 4 is the odd one. And 17. And who works with N? S, L and P. L and P both 1 and 3, that is choice by question number 17. Clear? Then next one, 71 onwards. Only a few monkeys are donkeys. Only some of the monkeys are donkeys. These are the monkeys that are donkeys. Only some monkeys are donkeys, but not all. No donkey is a rabbit. No intersection between donkey and a rabbit. And no rabbit is fox. No intersection between rabbit and a fox. Then in this one, some monkeys can never be rabbit. Some monkeys or rabbits is not at all possible. And they can never be and is calling. And can stands for possibility, never is not. This is same as some monkeys or rabbits is not. Not means never. Possible. Possible means can. Clear? My claim చేస్తున్నాడు కొన్ని monkeys ఎట్టి బస్సులో rabbits కావు అని అన్నారు. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Now we need to check out whether some of these rabbits can be monkeys or not. Can we write rabbit like this or not? Yes. By doing so, what happens here? We have proven a case where some monkeys or rabbits is true. As some monkeys or rabbits is possible, he is claiming that it is not possible, that will be false. Then second, all foxes or donkeys is a possibility. All these foxes or donkeys, this entire fox is a part of donkey or not? Yes. And so what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2 follows, that is choice 3, question number 71. Then 72. Now in this 72, each toy is a plastic. Each toy is plastic means every toy is a plastic. Every toy is what? Every toy is a plastic. And no toy is stable. Now no toy is stable, no intersection between toy and a table. And only a few tables are wood. Only some tables are wood, but not all. Isn't it? And all wood is stable. All wood is stable, that is false. And no toy is wood. No toy is wood is definitely true. Now to make this one false, I need to prove some toys are wood. But I said that some toys are wood. Yes. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. And in the same diagram, all wood is stable. This is also false now. And so what is your answer? Neither one nor two. Choice for 73. Then 73. Only a few pens are erasers. Only some pens are eraser, pen and an eraser. These are pens and these are erasers. Only a few pens. Konni pens maatrame anni kaadu. All erasers are sharpener. This entire eraser is a sharpener. No sharpener is a pencil. No intersection between pen, sharpener and a pencil. And first one, all pens can be sharpeners. Now this entire pen can means it is a possibility. Must pen and raskochu as a sharpener lo? Yes, it is possible. Entire pen cannot be an eraser. Pen can be part of sharpener. Hence it is possible. First one, possible. And no pen is pencil, that is true. To make this one false, some pens are pencils, I can make this one. Alternate diagram to previous conclusion false. Then what is your answer? Only one. Only one. And it is given in choice by question number 73. Then 74. In a row of 40 students facing towards north, total number of persons were given. How many are there? 40. And Kushi is 6th to the left of Sakshi. Now Kushi is here. Now 6th to the left of Sakshi, in between Kushi and Sakshi, 5 members. And Sakshi is 30th from the left hand side. That means there are 29 persons to the left hand side of Sakshi. 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 23, 29. Then, and out of this 40, now Sakshi is 30th from the left. There are 10 persons to the right hand side of this Sakshi. Isn't it? Then what is the position of Kushi from the right hand? 10 plus 1, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 1, 17. Now 17th position, that is choice 3, question number 74. Then 75 to 79, there are some 8 people and they are living in different floors. 8 floors are there, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now there are 8 persons, they are staying on 8 different floors. Eight persons lives on these 8 different floors. Then the lowermost is floor number 1 and so on. And here one more information here. Person's place value is even. Place value means according to alphabetical order. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. And if the person's place value is even, then they live in odd numbered floor. And person's place value is odd, then they are living on even number floor. Now follow here. A's place value is 1 and this A cannot live on odd number floor. A must live on even number floor 2, 4, 6, 8. And B's place value is 2. 2 is even. B cannot live on even number floor. B must be either 1, 3, 5 or 7. Done with this? Then U lives above the 4th floor. U lives above this 4th floor. U value is 21 and so U must be even number floor either on the 6th floor or on the 8th floor. Are you getting this one or not? And U lives above the 4th floor. S lives below Z. S is below Z and C lives below P. Now C is below P and but not on floor number 4. Now C cannot be on floor number 4. Isn't it? And C lives below P but not on floor number 4 and G lives immediately above P. Now this G is immediately above P. G and P must be together. And only 2 persons between U and P. P is here. Only 2 persons between U and P. P is here. Isn't it? Now P is here. G is immediately above this one. G is immediately above this. Then now G and G is immediately above this. J does not live on floor number 1. J does not live on floor number 1. Hence, what is the value of J? And J is even. Hence, J can be at any one of these odd places. And J can be either 5th place or 7th place. Now, here in this one, J can be either on the 3rd place or on the 7th. Mind the information? And coming back to this one, and C is below this P. C is below this P and C cannot be on 4th floor and C must be here. Now here, where should this C? And C is below this. C must be on an even number floor. Below this P, C must be on the 2nd floor. Now G, P and C done. Now S is below this G. S is what? S is odd number. And S lives above G. S lives above G. S lives above Z. Hence S is an odd number and S must be on an even number floor. Isn't it? And S lives above G. Now in this case, is it possible? Not possible. And so I left with only this one. And what is the other one? J does not live on as many in between G and T. Now G is 1, 2, 3, 4th from the bottom. And T is 4th from the top. If T is here, J is here. Then who is the person left over? H. And H must be this. Clear? Then next coming back to this. 75. And who among the following person lives on floor number 8? Now on floor number 8, who is that person here? Yes. Yes, that is choice 3, 75. And how many persons live between U and C? Now in between U and C, there are only 3 people, choice 4, question number 76. Then 77, if all the persons are arranged in alphabetical order from bottom to top. From bottom to top, we need to arrange all these persons. Then now C, and next one is what? G, and next to G is P, H, isn't it? Next one is J, and next to J, and what are the other elements we have? P, S, T. Now P, S, T and U. And together? And P, S, T. How many persons remain unchanged? Yes, is there any persons remain unchanged here? All the persons were changed their places or not? Other places maripoya ledha? Then none of the persons remain at the same place, choice T. Then if J is related to T, J is 2 floors above T and G is 2 floors above C and P is 2 floors above H. And what is your answer? H choice for 78. Then 79, 4 out of the following means odd one out. and C is living on even number floor. S is living on even number floor. U is living on 6th floor. P is on 5th floor. And G is on 4th floor. Except choice 4. The remaining persons are living on even number floor and P lives on an odd number floor. That is choice for question number 79.